Transform your home with RS Solid Surfaces. Serving Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, North and South Carolina, we've been providing quality, affordable custom countertops and sinks for both residential and commercial projects since 2002. We know our customers want the best, and so do we. With the largest showroom and inventory in the area, we import slabs from all over the world, carrying only the highest quality materials, including granite, marble, quartz, quartzite, and solid surfaces, as well as a variety of sinks. From simple to lavish projects, our knowledgeable team works with homeowners, builders, and interior designers to provide exceptional service through every step. From consultation and project planning to templating, fabrication, and installation, no job is too big or too small for our experienced crews.
My name is Jennifer Daniel with J&A Construction and Home Builders. What impresses me most about RS Solid Surfaces is the great work that they do. We've used them exclusively for over a decade in our construction company. We even use them in our personal house. We would recommend them to anyone who has any countertop needs. They're great to work with in all aspects.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Graham. This is my dad, Dennis Graham. We're with Graham Commercial Contractors. We'd like to recommend RS Solid Surfaces for any of your solid surface needs. Their team has always been top-notch. They got great quality, and their customer service is excellent.
Need countertops? Not sure where to start? Stop by our showroom to get a better idea of what you're interested in. For quality work at the best price, contact us at RS Solid Surfaces today.